Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you 5 English names of birds. So let's see. Number 1, crow. Crow. Crow means cock. Crow means cock. Number 2, dove. Dove. Dove means ghugu. Dove means ghugu. Number 3, peacock. Peacock. Peacock means moyur. Peacock means moyur. Number 4, quail. Quail. Quail means quail pakhi. Quail means quail pakhi. Number 5, eagle. Eagle. Eagle means eagle pakhi. Eagle means eagle pakhi. Okay viewers, keep learning and memorizing these names and waiting for the next video. Bye.